Good day, Nigerians. I want to talk to all Nigerians generally that I will still stand on my words, that I believe in this government. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed, Mr. President, Omar Sheri Dada is going to make this Nigeria to better. Mr. President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed is going to do this country to better. Sorry for the bad English. I keep telling you that this man is working on the ground. He's working it gradually. He's going to do it. Nigeria will be better. I believe. I say I believe. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed go do this work. He go do this country. He go do this country. Now gradually, no rush am. Please. This economy you guys are talking about, is not only Nigeria. It's all over the world. In Congo, America, in Congo, Nigeria, in Congo, UK, in Congo, China, in Congo, everywhere. In Congo, kò balance. Kò ṣe Nigeria nìkan. Àwọn ìlú yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n dájú Nigeria lọ tẹ́lẹ̀. But Asiwaju ma make everything in order. Mr. President, Asiwaju ma make everything in order. Ṣé wá láwọn olóyè burúkú olóṣì obìnrin tó ń bú ẹgbẹ́ bàbá wọn yẹn, ó máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n jọba o. Ìwọ tó mú Mr. eléyìí wá ń ṣà olóṣì, oní gap, oní gap teeth, olóyè burúkú olóṣì, olóyè wá ń ṣà. Eléyìí ọ̀ká olóyè burúkú olóṣì. Wọ́n jọ ní fún kékeré tiẹ̀.